Hello. I'm just gonna, just do a little short, maybe only a few seconds, maybe 50 seconds, not that. But this is just a Super Bowl short. Just a little, I want to tell you some stuff. So I'm voting for Green Bay right now, and right now they're winning 21-3. So, Steelers fans, I'm sorry, but this might not be this year. Your year. But you know what? I'm not even gonna say it. I'm gonna jinx it. So yeah. So there we go. I just went over my limit. So just wanted to tell you about that. And I'm gonna go get you guys a Lego set. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. Lego City Police Boat. If you have seen my first video, this was in it. So easily this comes off, and here you have the cockpit or the captain seat, whatever you want to call it. Ew, they're kissing on TV. Okay, so here we have a light. Yeah. Here we have that screen. Okay, so now you open this, and inside, if you open this, you see there's a little jet ski, and then in here there should be a prisoner, but it's not in here. Okay, there's just a dog here. It's not even in here. It's just a dog. Okay. And under here, I think it has like a nail shaping. Maybe. And now, right now, I'm gonna do some avatars for you right down here. Okay, so let's start with the Chinese dude. Oh, I saw Chinese. Okay, so hi. I Chinese. I move on to the next avatar. Yeah, I'm that cool kid from New York City. Yeah. And next on what's it called? And now here's NBC Nightly News with Brian Williams. Yesterday, a tank fell onto a boat, which exploded and sank to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. See you later, dog. I'm a clown and I'm sad. I'm crying. What the heck is making my mouth go like I'm not even doing it? Sorry about the background talking. Oh, I just want a doggy biscuit. Give me a doggy biscuit. I'll take it. But I want a doggy biscuit even more. I want a doggy biscuit even more. Oh, yes. I saw Despicable Me a few days ago, and then I got this hole in my cheek because someone shot me, so I might die in the next couple days, so yeah, bye. Uh-oh. I'm a little teapot. Sure, here is my handle, here is my spout. I'm your best friend. Now snuggle with me at night. I'm Martha Stewart, and I'm going to teach you how to make chicken pot pie. So what you need to do is you need to take a pot, and then you need to stuff a whole chicken in it, and then you need to stuff a pie in it. But make sure you cook it at 500 million degrees Fahrenheit, and then when it comes out, it'll be all crisp for you. Thank you, and good night. And cut. 5 minutes, people. Aww, I'm a monkey from the Sahara Desert. Oh, the woodland pixie land. Oh, meet my friend Piggy. Hi, I'm Piggy. Meet my friend Monkey. Hi, I'm Monkey. My best friend Piggy and I like to eat bananas. Bye-bye. See? I'm the guy. No, you come to me when you need animation. So, like, if you need to animate Star Wars, if you need to animate Toy Story, if you need to animate Legos, just come to me. Okay, bye-bye. Now, weren't those people fascinating? Tune in next time when we get to do something that I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So, bye. Subscribe, watch my other videos, and comment, and favorite. Bye-bye.